Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the answer. For the first one, we see that the square root of s we change for s to the power of 1 over 2. This one we will change into s to the power of negative 1 over 3. And now we got the final answer. The integral of s to the power of 1 over 2. You will got about s to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. Similar for this one. This one we got about 3 over 2. This one we got about 3 over 2. This one we got about 2 over 3. Now let's go to the second one. We have the cosecant of 2x and cotan 2x. This one we got about negative 1 over 2 cosecant of 2x. Now let's go to the next one. We can use about integration by substitution. So we will about u equals to ln s du. We got about the s over s because we do first derivative of ln s, and you got this one. This one we change for u. The s over s we change for the u. And we got about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus 2u. About u, that's about ln s. Next one, we got about 3 over 4 e to the power of 4s. Because the integral of e to the power of 4s, you got about e to the power of 4s over number 4. And we put about c in here. The next one, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about u equals to 3 over 2 sine t du. We got about 3 over 2 cosine t dt. So this one we put in here. This one we put in here. So we got about 9 over 4 sine t squared. This one we got about 3 cosine t dt. So 4 with 9 over 4, you got about 9. The square root of number 9, you got about a number 3 outside. One minus sine t squared, you got about cosine t squared. The square root of cosine t squared, you got about cosine t. Now we simplify and you got about dt. And we got about t plus c. About t, that's it about this one. just draw to about s, sorry. So we divide both sides with 3 over 2 and we got about t equals to arc sine 2s over 3. So we put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So for this one, we got about u equals to s du, we got about ds, dv, we got about secant s square ds. So we got about v equals to tan s. So we put about u multiplied with v, and we have the negative du multiplied with v, we got about tan s ds, and this one we can change into sin s over cos s, and we got about the final answer. This one we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to sin s du, we got about cos s ds. So this one we put about u square cos s ds, we change for du, and we got about u to the power of 3 over 3. About u, we got about this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.